it down, Jim.
Oh, I think we hit a fence. Here's the landing. Hey, Captain.
Okay, let's inspect our work.
A successful flight.
We landed in the hard terrain.
Yep.
And did we sustain any damage? None.
All right.